You asked for it, and here it is. In this video, we're giving you a step-by-step checklist to run a successful contract compliance audit and stop financial leakage in its tracks. Grab a pen, open your Notes app, because this is the checklist every audit, procurement, and finance team needs. Step 1. Define your audit goals. Start with clarity. Ask yourself, are we trying to recover overpayments? Improve contract language? Evaluate supplier performance. Step 2. Identify high-risk suppliers. Not all suppliers need auditing. Focus on those with high annual spend, complex contracts, history of disputes or unclear terms, low visibility into billing. Action tip: create a supplier risk matrix. Prioritize based on spend, complexity, and strategic importance. Step 3. Gather all relevant contracts and invoices. You can't audit what you can't see? Collect master service agreements, purchase orders, invoices, change orders, email communications if relevant. Step 4. Review contract terms thoroughly. Look for payment terms, service level agreements, SLAs, markup limits, volume discounts, penalties for non-compliance. Pro tip: highlight ambiguous language. It's often where errors hide. Step 5. Match payments to contract terms. Now the detective work begins. Compare what was paid versus what was agreed. Look for overcharges, duplicate payments, unauthorized markups, services not rendered. Step 6. Document all discrepancies. Create a log of every issue you find. Include supplier name, invoice number, contract clause violated, amount in question, supporting evidence. This will be your foundation for recovery and negotiation. Step 7. Communicate findings professionally. Approach suppliers with transparency and respect. Frame it as a collaborative effort to improve accuracy, not a blame game. Use neutral language like, "We noticed a discrepancy and would like to review it together." Step 8. Recover funds or renegotiate terms. Depending on the issue, you may request a refund, apply a credit to future invoices, renegotiate unclear or unfair terms. Step 9. Update internal processes. Use what you've learned to improve. Contract templates, approval workflows, supplier onboarding, invoice review procedures. This is where the real ROI kicks in. Step 10. Schedule regular audits. Don't wait for problems to pile up. Set a cadence, quarterly, biannually, or annually, based on your supplier volume and risk profile. Here's your challenge. Pick one supplier, review one contract, audit one invoice. Start small, learn fast, scale up. Contract compliance isn't just about catching mistakes. It's about building smarter, stronger supplier relationships. Like, subscribe and share this with your procurement team. And remember, audit with purpose, lead with clarity.